Hi, my name is Cindy, and I am participating in the Refurbished Love for Spring. I found a round dry erase board at the Goodwill store a few months ago. I had no idea of what DIY plans I had for the board. I thought I would hang it up and put notes on it because that was supposed to be its original use. When the reminder of the Refurbished Love for Spring collaboration came up, I was scrambling to determine what I was going to make. I decided to make the dry erase board a tray because I could style it different DIY vignettes to put on it. I'm going to make different items and style the tray in a few different ways. First, you want to remove the contents in the packaging and cut the straps that was used for hanging. I measured and used E6000 and Krazy glue to attach the handles to the round faux marble board, and I put them on opposite sides. And I used the ruler to make sure that I was going to get the measurements correct. I think I did pretty good. I did a little eyeballing of it also. I also had a pink and gold tin can that housed a candle, and I thought that would be a nice thing to set on the tray. And so I glued a fancy gold and pink bead to the top with the Krazy glue. In addition, I found a 99-cent candle holder at the local Goodwill. I cleaned it up and applied a gray and gold rose sticker to the smooth sides of the candle holder. Well, two sides were ribbed and two sides were smooth. So I took the rose that was gold and gray and put it on the smooth sides of the candle holder. Now I had to remove one rose to put the stem going down instead of up, because you can actually put a tea light in one side and a taper candle on the other side. And I placed a candle in the top, and whoa, it is fabulous. I flipped the tray over and I put 4 acrylic beads in different areas. And I did this. Number one, it gave it a nice look. Plus, it lifted it slightly off of the surface. So if you put it in the bathroom, you would not have a problem with it getting wet because it's slightly lifted off of the surface. I took some jewel border stickers and wrapped them around a bottle that I had purchased at the Goodwill for 10 cents. I wrapped it around until it was completed, but I ran out of some pink, so I wrapped remainder the vase in golds, but I wasn't really concerned about it because I was going to spray it white. Use 3 coats of white matte rustoleum spray. Let me tell you about Refurbished Love for Spring. This collaboration is put on by co-hosts Buffy Designs and Living Life with Lon. Now, Buffy makes all sorts of wonderful DIYs such as door hangers, holiday and home decor, signs, and more. And in fact, she likes to take thrift store finds and turn them into amazing DIYs. Living Life with Lon loves doing thrift flips also and creating beautiful signs with chalk couture. Make sure to follow these awesome crafters. You will not be disappointed. So let's go to vignette number 1. On top of the marble tray, I placed the pink and gold tin, added pink flowers with green leaves, and a clear glass candle holder with rose stickers on the sides and a taper candle. I think it looks pretty super. On vignette number 2, on top of the tray, I placed a pink cup with a candle inside and a pink flower tucked inside the white vase embellished with jewel border stickers. I added a DIY acrylic photo frame. So I melted down a Dollar Tree candle, put the wick in the bottom of the cup, and poured the wax in the cup. And when you light it, look at there, you got ambiance. Last, I had a flat photo frame that had a magnetic sticker on the back. However, I took 3.5 tumbling tower blocks. I painted it white and made a stand for the photo frame, so you don't have to stick it on your refrigerator. It can stand up. You can put your children's pictures in there. But what I did to make a beautiful vignette, I put a white and pink cardstock inside and cut some paper with cursive writing on top. I really like the way this looked. It looks so spring-like. There is a multiplicity of things that you can do and put on the tray. So if you've liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment if you so choose. So I will leave you with this. How do you teach kindness? There are so many ways. First, be kind to yourself. It's in our nature to learn by watching others, which is why it is so important to be kind to yourself and show kindness to those around you. Other people, and kids especially, can learn kindness just by seeing what you do. So see you later. Next time. Bye-bye.